Here's how to make a Google Chrome shortcut on your desktop on Windows for Windows 10 and 11. So first you'll need to click on the start button and then search for Google Chrome. Now once you see the Google Chrome icon, right click on it and then click on open file location, and it should open up the folder where it exists. And then if you see a icon like this, you wanna right click on it again and click on open file location, and it should take you to this path, which is in Program Files Google Chrome application. Now you want to right click on this icon, the Google or the Chrome icon, right click and click send to, and then choose desktop, and that should send an icon to the desktop, which is this one right here. And then you can rename it to Google Chrome if you want, or leave it Google like this. Now, if you want a particular website as a shortcut, what you can do is open Google Chrome and then navigate to the website you want to use as shortcut. For example, where you want to make shortcut for example, this Grok AI website. Then you want to click on the three dots, and then you want to look for cast, save, and share. And then you want to click on create shortcut, and you want to choose a name for it, and then click on create, and it should be saved to your desktop. Now, if you go to the desktop, you should see an icon like this with the website and Google Chrome next to it. Now, when you double click on it, it should directly open the Grok window in Google Chrome. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.